1. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends. 2. My name is Jenny. 3. I am studying in 2nd standard. 4. Today, I am wearing a very special dress. 5. It is my waist to wonder dress. 6. Can you guess what my dress is made from? 7. Plastic waste and old clothes. 8. Yes. The plastic bags that we throw away are now part of my beautiful dress. 9. Look at my beautiful flowers. 10. They are also made from waste plastic. 11. So, before throwing anything in the dustbin, let's think. 12. Can I reuse it? 13. Because waste is not always waste. 14. With a little creativity, we can turn waste into wonder. 15. My dress is not from a big fashion shop. 16. It is from my waste basket. 17. And today, my waste basket is saying. 18. Look at me. I am a fashion star. 19. So remember. 20. Reduce, reuse and recycle. 21. Don't waste, create. 22. Thank you, everyone. Speech practice. Now say it with me. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Jenny. I am studying in 2nd standard. Today, I am wearing a very special dress. It is my waist to wonder dress. Can you guess what my dress is made from? Plastic waste and old cloths. Yes, the plastic bags that we throw away are now part of my beautiful dress. Look at my beautiful flowers. They are also made from waste plastic. So, before throwing anything in the dustbin, let's think. Can I reuse it? Because waste is not always waste. With a little creativity, we can turn waste into wonder. My dress is not from a big fashion shop. It is from my waste basket. And today, my waste basket is saying, look at me. I am a fashion star. So remember, reduce, reuse and recycle. Don't waste, create. Thank you, everyone. For more useful videos, stay connected, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.